Hello, my name is Garrett. I'm a cleaner for Dazzle.
And how long have you been working?
I've been working at Dazzle for about 2.5 months now. I really like it there. They respect me so much. They care about my time. They care about my needs. They pay us really well. When I first started working at Dazzle, I had a week of training, and in that week it was very thorough. I learned everything I needed to know, and I immediately started working on my own. I already felt so confident and ready to start working on my own. Today we had a meeting. It started rather early, but it was a real nice meeting. We all got coffee and bagel, and we just had a lot of fun, honestly. We were all laughing together, we played some games, and prizes were handed out. It's a very nice company.
Did you get a prize?
Oh, I got a lot of prizes.
What did you get prizes?
Well, we won the trivia game that we did, and we all got to spin a wheel, and I won $100 from that. And for showing up on time, we did a raffle, and I also got about a $100 gift card for that. So they really care about us, and they reward us if we're good people, good employees. You should work for Dazzle.